Okay, napatahimik ako dun Napatahimik ako. Hugas muna ako plato.
At kahit na kailan mamahalin
Joke. Gusto niya samahan. Bayan. Akala ko mananalo na eh.
Umiiyak na lang sa mga litrato.
Panalo na. Sana.
Napapaisip kailan mo
Sampay. Sampay muna si Nar. Charge muna pala ako, guys. Mina naka-charge na. Guys, charge muna. Charge muna ako. Sampay ko muna. Muna charge ko.
Kasi paulit-ulit ko namang pinaparamdam sa'yo. Sa puso ko ikaw lang ang laman. Kailan, saan at bakit di ko
Ay, hindi. Joke lang. Ibang lobby ID to, guys. Sorry. Misleading information. Ano kasi, kalabi ko si Cole. Siya yung gumawa ng lobby, not me.
Bakit mo ba pagkawalan ang sabi mo?
Sabi ko, sampay ko muna yung charger ko. Ay. Wala rin akong flex rank. New lobby, ate. Ipaghihiganti ka namin. Ayun. Ano bang rank nyo? Pati. Wait lang, guys. May nakalimutan ako sa project. Wait lang, guys. Sampay muna ako. Charge ko na pala ako. Saan na? Ano na? GG.
Bawat saglit ang dami ng kwentong nais kong sabihin. Hindi ka na nakikinig.
Uy, ba't kami na lang dalawa?
Hindi ka na kinikilig. Okay, bilis ng takbo ng panahon. Walang nananatili sa mga
Grabe. Ako lang, grabe. Ako pinakamataas na rank sa aming lahat.
Sa mga litratong di ko na mababalikan. Naramdaman na di mo na ako mahal.
Uy, ba't ang daming EXP?
Nalaman
GG.
na hindi magtatagal.
Ay.
Ulit-ulit ko namang pinaparamdam sa iyo. Sa puso ko ikaw lang ang alaman. Kailan, saan at bakit di ko man lang alam.
Hindi ako marunong jungle. Ako na mag-jungle. Ako na. Makita niyo si Jamie TZ.
Bakit mo pa pagkawalan ang sabi mong walang hanggan.
Game. Full na agad. Hello. Awan. Grabe. Namiss ko na mag-Valorant tuloy. Ayoko na. Hi. Hello. I, Catherine Yu. Thank you for the 5. And Javocado for the year. Awesome. Ang dami ko palang na-miss out. Sorry. Wait lang. Wait. Javocado for the Heart Migo Popular Roses, ice cream cones, and for the friendship necklace from Catherine. Uy, ano nangyari? Hello, good evening. And Catherine for the fire. And friendship necklace and Javocado for the You're awesomer. And for the rose. Buti hindi na masakit. Hindi pa ito masakit para sa inyo, guys. Hala, yung internet ko daw unstable. Oy, pag binan nyo talaga yung Angela ko, ibaban ko talaga kayo. Mag-Angela na lang ako. O, ban daw si Sora. I'm trying to understand some words. Sayang ko. 1K Florin. Buti na lang kasi hindi siya yung ganun.
It's my way or the highway, hero.
Ay, ibahin natin yung
Greatest inventions.
Ganda ng skin ni Chloe, oh. Ibang lobby to, guys. Kasi kay Chloe na lobby to. Nag-join lang ako sa lobby.
Stranded. I'm the other rock hero.
Namiss ko na, guys, yung yung SpongeBob cooking show. Ay, cooking game. Cooking show. Di ba masakit yung playlist?
You to me.
Ayun. Naka-shuffle to, ah. Naka-shuffle yan.
Demons shall bathe in their blood. The light belongs to the righteous.
Sino daw?
I can't tell what you're thinking.
Ruby?
Please tell me what
Hello?
you're thinking. Last night we were more
Hirap pa
than
naman may
fine.
Ruby.
Just tell me if you changed your
Ayun.
mind. If you changed your mind. Cause I'm all in.
Muscle of iron, bones of steel.
When you feel like
Hindi ko pa ubos, guys, hanggang ngayon. Kanina pa to.
Who dare stand in my way will be
Kanina pa to.
devoured.
9 p.m.
busted. If you're looking at me with the heart of doubt.
Matry nyo na ba mag-chagi? Anong favorite drink nyo sa Spudgy? Spudgy. Sorry na, nagbabasa kasi ako ng comment.
My house, all caught up in your feelings on run.
Makunat pa sa baka yung kanan.
Don't build me up
Oo, not nagaton.
to let me down. Just to let me down, down, down.
Oh, kaninang posta nyo dito, guys?
My head,
Sa amin.
you're falling with
Uy, tap the Arlot.
on the ledge. I'm all out of breath. Baby, don't run me round and round. Don't kiss me, no, don't kiss me right now. On your lips, just leave it. If you don't mean
Ganda
it.
na skin, no?
Yeah. You know you
Game,
got
game,
me
game, game.
Welcome to Mobile
Ano to,
Legends.
Angela?
but I love those hands.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battle. Smash them.
When he can
Request master deployed.
understand. 'Cause I'm all
Nag-try ako ng ibang flavor sa Chaji.
calling.
Okay naman, pero
But you text me.
mas masarap pa rin yung favorite.
Feels right to you. But I'm all in. I'm falling faster. But if you're looking at me with a heart of doubt, don't kiss me right now. Don't tell me that you need me.
Ito na.
Show up at my house. All caught up
Grabe naman tong gold lane namin.
me round and round. Don't build me up just to let me down. Just to let me down, down, down.
Walang baril yan, Lods. Boss, balo na.
You're falling with your feet still on the ledge. I'm all out of breath. Baby, don't
Dami, wait lang.
round and round.
Abot, di abot, di abot.
In a good mood.
On your lips, just leave it. If you
Enemy battle Beep up, beep up. Initiate. Beep up, beep up. Beep up, beep up. Initiate.
Sayang, bro. Ah! Hala nga! Wait lang. Lo!
don't tell me that you need me, don't show up at my house. All caught up in your feelings, don't run me round and round. Don't build me up just to let me down. Just to let me down, down. Don't mess with my head. Don't tell me to fall. Let me your feet.
Initiate the request. Okay.
Masyado bang malaki yung music? Or okay lang.
On your lips, just leave it. If you don't mean it.
Hala!
Flame burst.
Naagaw pa. Wait. Boss. Boss. Boss.
Double kill. An enemy has been slain.
Ayun, I like this song. Wait.
Doctor calls me his little angel, but I can't fly.
This room could be haunted, a vision to the blind. Wishing sleep on me in her arms forever. Shadows dance around perfectly, blurring up the lines. Hallucinations start to intertwine.
Takot ako. Isa lang ako dito.
My eyes, her face lingers on the walls. She's stuck on rewind.
Naku. This is not good. This is not good. Sorry! Sorry. Bakit andun sila lahat? Tama nga kayo guys. Ang kunat nga ng kalaban.
It's important.
Parang magka-charge nga talaga ako pagkatapos nito.
A single note in my persistent, hopeless lullaby.
Parang napanood ko na to. Saan?
I can't sleep forever. I open my eyes.
Mga kay Alucard. Uy!
Face lingers on the walls. She's stuck on rewind.
Ulti na pala ako. Kaya yan, Cap. Give up. Anong give up? Nice. Let's go. Lady Coley, let's go.
Face
Launch attack.
It's my turn to help people.
She's stuck on
Yung Arlot namin doon. Wait lang. 15 seconds.
Request
Oh, wait a minute.
Puppet is tangled up. Can you help me with that?
Naku po. Lord.
Initiate retreat.
Uy!
Spree.
Ang OA. Ang OA. Ang sakit niya, ha?
Stay. Papi, boom.
Shut down.
God. No.
Launch attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Keep on
An
smiling.
enemy has been slain. Enemy rampage.
Hindi, kaya pa to, guys. Kaya pa to.
Attack the turtle.
Ang kalaban.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Hello po. Thank you po sa roses. Wait. Wala kaming makuha na
Team
turtle.
destroy the turret.
Kuli sa likod, ah. Sakit! Wag na, maghuhugas na lang ako ng plato. No, it's okay. Isang savage. Wow. Charge na pala ako, guys. Ulo, ayun na nga. Ba't ako low? Ba't naka-charge naman ako? Arlot?
Ready to make that turn before we both crash and burn.
Doctor calls me his little
Naku.
Be the devil, baby.
Naku, Arlot. Nice, okay. Grabe talaga si Colt. Palo mag-Lucian.
Decided not to make a change. Stuck in the same old lane, going the wrong way home. I feel like my heart is stuck in bumper traffic. I'm
Wala palang
on
hintay.
I can't have you the way that I want. Let's just go back to the way it was.
Cool, wait lang.
When we were on honeymoon.
3 seconds. Naku,
Coasting like crazy. Can we get back to the way it was?
Nice. Okay. Naku, wait lang. Parang hindi ko to kaya. Di ako maka-flicker. Wait. Hinahabol ako ng SpongeBob.
And my heart is at a yellow light, a yellow light. Hey, right when I think that we found
Wait,
it,
uwi muna tayo.
well, that's when we start turning around. You said, baby, don't worry, but we're still going the wrong way. Baby, you
Wait.
know
Go home first.
and you decided not to
Hanap tayo kay Alucard.
Stuck in the same old lane, going the wrong way.
SpongeBob! Ang sakit talaga ng SpongeBob. Napala kay Arlot na lang. Pero okay lang yan. What's going on? Wait. Aray, holy. Yan.
They say only fools fall in love, but they must have been.
Nice! Good job! Let's go!
Sometimes I feel like we've been here for fun.
Galing. Pang highlights.
I could be wrong, but I'm right. We gon'
Ayun lang,
be
nag-Lord
lost if
sila.
we continue to fight. Honey, I know, yeah, we can find our way home. I feel like my heart is stuck in
Wait, to?
traffic. I'm under pressure 'cause I can't have you the way that I want. Let's just go back to the way it was when we were on honeymoon. Honeymoon, my baby.
Ay, wala. Kakampi pala.
We get back to the way it was when we were on honeymoon. I would know. Honeymoon, baby. Posing like that.
Ano daw?
Can we get
Ano yung kino-comment nyo, guys?
you out?
Kaya to. Kaso lang. Ay! Oh my God. Wait lang. Huh? Ba't biglang nagkatao doon bigla? Anyway, wag na. Kaya pa to? Ayan, doon lang yung ginagawa nila.
Same old lane, going the wrong way home. I feel like my heart is stuck.
I love you, Lord. Huy! Ethan!
I'm under pressure. Let's just go back to the way it was. We were on.
Asan na yung kalaban? Ay, namatay ba? Sa likod. Knock. Alvin, 2004. Ow! Ulo, ako na. Patay. Bye-bye.
Where's my daddy?
Initiate retreat.
Anna, hello. Thank you sa heart me and Javocado sa roses. Thank you.
Launch attack.
Game.
Okay.
Ayun, wipe out kami, boss. Hugas mo na ako plato. Charge mo na ako, guys.
Our turret is under attack.
Ay, hindi pa tapos.
Inhibitor turret is under attack.
Boss Kyle TZ, wait lang. Ayun lang.
Turret is under attack.
Charge mo na higaan. Charge ko muna yung plato ko, guys.
Holding on the days drag on, stupid girl. I should've known. I'm not a princess. This ain't a fairy tale. I'm not the
Yun, let's go, Arlot.
leader up the stairwell. This ain't Hollywood.
Okay.
This is a small town. I was a dream.
Yun, super healing.
When you let me down. Now it's too
Yes,
late
you're
for
welcome.
you and your
Baby Koey,
wild
lapit ka.
heart to come around.
Ano naman si Arlot? Ipinaglalaban na naman siya sa Lord.
Let's
go. Ay, namatay ba siya? Hala, namatay si Arlo. Oh, wait lang. Ako naman yung mamamatay, boss. Sorry. Ay, sorry dito.
My mistake, I didn't know to be in love. You had to fight to have
Okay.
the upper hand. I had so many dreams.
Sali ako next game.
You
Oh,
and me.
hello guys. Pwede naman.
Endings.
Hindi ko lang alam. Ano to eh? Tawag ito? Labi ni Cole eh.
I'm not a princess. This ain't a fairy tale. I'm not
Alucard, di paglaban mo.
of a feet. Leader of the stairwell to Hollywood. This is a small
Paglaban mo yung base. Aray. Ako yung hindi pinaglaban. Namatay ako doon. Nakabuhay ko lang. Hulo, wala na. Charge mo.
for you.
Magka-charge talaga yata ako, guys. Ayan na, wala na. Saing muna pala ako. Talo na naman tayo.
And there you are on your knees, begging for forgiveness, begging for me.
Road to epic.
Like I always wanted, but I'm so
Wala na yung win streak natin, guys.
Love and hope.
Cause I'm not your princess.
Hi, Christopher. Thank you for the
Fairy tale. I'm gonna find
These
someone
allies growing on number 5.
who might
Rank 5
actually treat
are.
me well. This is a big world. That was a small town. There in my rearview mirror, disappearing now. And it's too late for you and your white horse.
Ano, isa pa ba?
Now it's too late
Isa pa
for
ba?
you and your white horse.
Valorant na tayo.
Now. Oh, 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 oh. Try and catch me now.
Kaso hindi tayo pwede. Okay. Wala na akong flex rank.
It's too late.
Anyari ba't talo? Sorry. Wala akong flex rank. Ay, wala pala akong flex rank. Wala akong flex rank, guys. Ha? Ba't nag-leave si Cole? Invite natin siya. Let's invite her. Wala eh. Gusto niyo sumali? Hi, what the fudge? Thank you for the follow. Tanahan kung may practice. Pa-prank ka ba? Kasi malakas na. Prank ka ba? Wala. Ayun. So, gawa na lang ba kami na? Okay. Try natin tong lobby na to. Pero dapat mababa lang kasi wala na akong flex rank. 3... Wait lang. Wait, malito. Malitong nasa taas. Huwag niyong pansinin yan. Wait. Wait. 3... Ayun lang. 396. Ang bagal ko. 9,000. Ayun lang. Hindi pwede yung mythic. Sorry. Yeah, go. Basta, wala na kasi akong flex. So, dapat, umalis. Go, join kayo. Wala. Wala, ayaw nyo na akong kalaruin.
I was glad to see you go, but the tears just won't go.
Pwede ba si Polly? Pwede naman si Polly. Ay, pwede ba? Pag mythic tas legend. Antok na. Okay. Hindi yata pwede yung... Ano ba yan? Anong silver? Okay. Go. Good night, Bebe. Good night, Polly. Go, go. Bawal yung... Dapat ano... Wala. Dapat mythic yata or legend din. Tama ba? Hindi ko alam. Hindi nga pwede, boss. Sorry. Ayun. Anong pang ilang game ba? Gusto ko na magbalo, guys. Hi, Zen! Thank you po sa love you so much. I love you too so much, Zen. And sa... Oh, wait. Tinak ko ng pusa ko. And sa Gigi, and sa Heart Me, and Anna. Thank you. And Tortang Halaya sa Rose. Ang pusa ko. Tinakpan na yung buong screen. Attendance lang po, idol. Ayun. Game. Ilan stars na wala? Ayun! Bawiin natin. After nito, magbalo na tayo. Parang dalawang star ba? Or tatlo? Di ko na matandaan. Di ko kasi tinatandaan. Tara.
Please ban a hero.
Who will we ban? Which hero should we ban? Hello. Estes. Or Jella na lang ba? O nga, Glue. Nahin ko binaban si Glue.
Your team is banning. Hi, Echo. Gusto mo mag-hi sa mga fans mo? Ito siya. Nakahiga. Ang cute mo talaga. Please pick a hero.
Ay, ganun pala nila. Excuse, hindi ko makita yung comments. Ba't ganon, Jamie? Ako yung nandito tapos iba yung kinig. Uy, boss. Mahirap kalaban, Glue.
For honor!
Magsasacrifice talaga kayo pag isa sa inyo nakapitan. True.
Chivalry is dead.
Kapag may nakalaban kaming Glue kasi hindi namin naban. Yung ko talaga may kalaban na Glue eh. Ang sakit kasi pag may kalaban na Glue. Bakit? Ay. Pwede naman, sumama next G, guys. Let's see kung maglalaro pa tayo next G. Ano, gusto ko na mag-change game.
Butterfly is born by thy wish, guided by lantern's light.
Wag muna. Ito na yung lobby ID, oh.
Lots of prey everywhere.
Guys,
When the body suffers,
Hindi, kaya pa yan.
the spirit blooms.
Kaya kwentuhan niyo ako para di ako maantok eh. Maantok. Chat ko nga si Cole eh.
This land is a
Ayun, naglapu-lapu.
soon be a burial ground.
Do you get deja vu? May pasok pala ako bukas, guys. Buti pinaalala niyo. Hindi ko na malayan. Oo nga pala. Buti pinaalala mo. May pasok pala ako bukas, kaya... Yeah. You need to sleep. Hindi pala pwede mag-overtime. Chat ko si Cody. Wait, chat ko si Cody. End stream na ba? Maya-maya.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Gulat din ako nung malaman na
Abracadabra! Keep smiling!
ng hinayang
Okay,
nung nag-away tayo noon at natuluyan sa yata ng
It's my job to help people.
What's my rank? Legend lang. Aray.
magsalita di ko hayaan
Uy, may pasok ako bukas.
ay mawala ang
Doctor calls me his little angel, but I can't fly.
tayo.
Wait lang.
The first
blood!
watch out for neck problems.
Naku.
At sira
Ba't ganito yung kalaban?
ulit-ulit lang ang
Bro.
nangyayari
Lo! What?
ikot-ikot tayo
An enemy has been slain! Double
Uy, bawal cutting. Masama yun.
ay ka na ba doon at nalimutan
Yes, Echo. Ano po yun?
Strings to my puppet get tangled up. Can you help me with that?
pwede bang huwag kang sumigaw di ko
No class bukas may bagyo. Sino nagsabi?
lahat ito ay maligaw nagtatanong sa'yo
May bagyo o may bago? Lo!
pwede pa ba tayo
Hi, Boss Route. Thank you for the follow. Aray mo.
The enemy initiated retreat!
Pa yan, hindi ako makapasok. Grabe sila, oh.
ang sandali lang
Superb AoE! You have
nang
slain an enemy!
magsalita di ko hahayaan lahat ito ay mawala at sandali lang
Request
Angela nyo, may nalaman.
salita ba't ko
Wait lang. On the way, on the way, on the way.
ikaw ay mawala nagtatanong sa'yo
Pag ganitong oras talaga nagsisilabasan yung mga bata. Kaya nga dito ako, guys, eh.
Keep on smiling.
Kaya nga naglalaro tayo, eh. Kasi mga ganitong oras talaga, eh.
ally has been slain!
Ganitong oras kasi yung, di ba? Alam nyo na. Naku, alam ako dito. Wala, ako lang mag-isa? What?
Stay cheerful every
Oy.
day.
Wala pa kang ulti?
You'll be safe
You have slain an
Yun.
enemy!
my romance, babe. Labels fading, but I see you craving for more. You're
Papi, papi, boom.
Go, Lapu.
Stay in a good mood every day.
keep me guessing.
Oh, uy!
Keep me
Halo ko.
An ally has been
Sorry, Granger.
I live to
I can do all the chores.
Hindi ko apat yung kuryente niya.
Cooking.
all that I wish is
Full lobby, yes. Pero, if mag-next game, pwede pa naman, guys. New lobby. I mean, new... Ay! Ay! Ay!
somewhere.
New people. New people.
I only matter when he's
Pero let's see if
but I
mag-iisa pa.
to appreciate
Dahil, kailangan ko na palang matulog. Kasi pinaalala nyo na may pasok pala ako bukas.
Help me with that.
got my heart on my sleeve. I'm begging
Papi, papi, boom.
An ally has slain the turtle!
all you obsessive love.
Grabe.
I'm tolerating all of your desires.
An enemy
Nice!
seconds pa.
Request backup.
Aray. Naku, no flicker ako.
only matter when he's not around. Oh, but I live to appreciate you. Take all the love that I give.
Roger. Yung may bigote yun, di ba? Ayan, tama. Yung may bigote. Yung may bigote. Oo nga, buti ko walang ulti yun. Kung may ulti yun, talsik talaga tayong lahat, boss.
Papi, papi, boom!
Nila po, wag natin aatrasan yung YZ na yan.
It's a tortoise!
Tapos naging dragon bigla.
Not too often. You don't visit 'cause you got more options. You come
Request backup.
Oh, wait a minute. Ala, dalawa na sila. Wait. Oh God. Oh my God. Wala po, wait lang. Sorry. Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
An
No more
ally
heal.
has been slain. Enemy double.
Ay, sorry! Hindi pa ako. Alo, ba't nawala?
Enemy has been slain.
Alo! Ayun. Kala ko nawala ako. Angelito Carreras. Thank you for following. May pasok ako bukas. Kaya nga, baka last game, I don't know. Pero may pasok ako bukas, so... Sleeping time!
Abracadabra! Keep smiling!
Retreat from the turtle.
Ano? Bakit retreat from the turtle?
Enemy has slain the turtle.
Nako.
Initiate retreat.
It's my job to help people.
Uy. Pagpasok ko sa school. Di naman sobrang aga yung pasok ko bukas. Pero maaga, pero hindi sobrang 7 a.m.
Staring at me. Watch out!
Hi, Ogre. Ogre Miel, thank you for following. Pwede sumali. Yun lang, I'm not sure if mag-iisang game pa tayo because may pasok ako mamayang gabi. Ay, mamayang umaga. So,
I can't fly.
so let's see. Kailangan ko na matulog.
I can do all the chores.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Cooking.
Yeah, medyo midday.
Our turret is under attack.
Hindi ko na malayan yung oras, grabe.
Watch out for neck problems.
Yun. Uy, kaya ayun. Pero bukas ulit. Mag-live ulit ako bukas. So, abangan nyo. Mga ganitong oras, mga 10 p.m. onwards, ako usually na live. Kasi alam nyo na, mga ganong oras. Wait lang. Grabe naman. Oh, what a set. What a set. What a set. Whoa! Did you see that, guys? What? That's so amazing. Ano kaya magagawa yun, no? Tortang Halea, thank you sa Rose and Zen. Thank you so much, Heart Me. I love you so much. And so Gigi, I love you so much. And Anson H29 for the Heart Me.
It's my job to help people.
Our turret is under attack.
Ayun lang. Parang maghuhugas na talaga ako ng charger mamaya. Tingnan mo yung ano nila, oh. Yung turret nila. Pwede pa to pang next game.
Keep on smiling. It's a tortoise.
Yun nga eh.
Our turret is under attack.
Nako. Yung lapo namin sinugod. Oh God, I'm next. No. Parang talo na naman. Talo na naman tayo. Yun lang. Lagi na lang talo. Kailang panalong-panalo naman ako sa'yo, guys. Ayun lang. Ayun lang. Charge na talaga ako. Magka-charge na talaga ako, guys.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Magpalamig tayo. One game, ibang laro.
Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret has been destroyed.
Ah! Ang dami! Ang dami! Ang dami!
Attack.
Shucks.
Papi, papi, boys.
Wala na to, guys. Wala na to. Wala na to.
Defeat.
Guys, babalik na ako ng Epic. What is this game? I quit. Mag-iba tayo ng game. Oops. Mag-iba tayo ng game. Mag-iba tayo ng game. Isang game lang, tapos matutulog na tayo. Ayaw matulog ng talo. Last game, last game, last game, last game, last game. Wala, puro tayo talo. Wait, ayusin natin yung settings. Paano ko maano yung buttons ko? Di ba pwede yun? Like, yes. Let's go, guys. Hindi ako makakatulog pag talo. Pagpag muna. Ay, gusto niyo ba sumali? Yan. Pag ito talo pa talaga. Don't worry, bukas mag-stream ulit tayo mga ano oras ba? 10 onwards. Mga gabi. Mga gabi. Teka, chinaplayan ko lang si Cole. Last game. Let's go.
Enemy minions will arrive in 5 seconds. All forces, move out!
Let's go. Lose streak tayo, ML eh. Wala, ganun talaga. Wait. Ay! Ah, napindot ko yung flicker ko. Kainis. Wait lang. Wait, hello? Ayoko na. Matutulog na talaga ako after neto. Hugas na ako ng charger. Late game. Charge ng ref.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Dito na yung top 1 Daji Philippines. Ay, global pala, global. Dito na yung top 1 Daji Global. Matakot na kayo. Ah! Inultihan ako! Shucks! Okay, nainis ako doon. Ginawa ko naman lahat, pero bakit hindi pa rin sapat? Uy. Uy. Kulang pa din pala hanggang huli. Hanggang huli. Tama ba yung grammar? Ayan! Di ako nakatingin! Di ako nakatingin! Sa iba kasi tumitingin eh. Dapat sa isa lang tumitingin. Wala. Natitilt na ako. 2 na yung deaths ko. 3 minutes pa lang yung laro. Ayos na nga. Bubuksan ko na nga yung monitor ko. Ang dami namang kalaban. Ba't parang 10 yung kalaban namin? Oh, natakot siya oh.
Balliste have spawned. An enemy has been slain.
Oh. Sige. Wow! Wait lang. Wait lang, parang masakit. Wait lang, uwi muna tayo. Di na kaya. Back muna. Dapat mo lumayo muna pag masakit na. Hello, JC. Yun. Bawi tayo, bawi. Oo, takot na sila sa akin. Top 1 Daji Global. Top 1 Global Daji. Iba naman. Go!
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Akin na to. Isa pa. Isa pa. Kaya pa to. Nice. Let's go! Oh. Yung mid. Huwag nating iwan. Porket nakakita na ng iba, iwan na. Yun. Game. Push mid.
Your team has destroyed
Yan na.
a turret.
Galit na yung Daji nyo.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
So tell me where do I start? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. I don't wanna let her go. POV.
Been slain.
Oh, wait. Di umabot. Hindi umabot. POV. Dajin yung iniwan. Ay. Hello, wait lang. Balikan natin yun. Babalikan ko kayo. Teka lang. Wait. Masakit pala. Wait lang. Parang hindi kaya. Grabe naman tong Daji na to. Sumugod. Mine. Ops. Takbuhan na sila sa'yo. Masakit ka na eh. Kanina pa ako masakit. Chinarge muna yung ML. Play safe. Hindi walang play safe dito. Royske, wala. Hindi. Lagi na lang tayo play safe. Monkey KS tayo. Ops. Dali. Ay! Turret pala yun. Wait, boss. Mapa. Yun. Uy, nalock in ako. Wait. Ah! Ay, sayang. Let's go. Oh, lock na. Para makatulog na tayo. Aray, wait lang, boss. Ako, yung hero ko yung matutulog. Wait lang. Wait for me. Nice, let's go. Ala! Wait lang. Muntik pang mamatay. Ayan, tapos na. Bayan, bitin. May tore pa pala dun. Okay, tapos na. Tama na. Uy, hanggang matalo. Tama na. Hanggang doon na lang, guys. Oy. Sayang momentum. Tama na, bukas na. May bukas pa. Okay, good night guys. 12 a.m. na. Kailangan ko na matulog. May pasok pa bukas. Good night. See you tomorrow guys. Mga 9 p.m. onwards. Basta mga gabi. Mag-live ako pag gabi. Okay, see you tomorrow. Later pala. Mamayang gabi. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks guys. Bye. Bye. Yeah.
Ano ba? Tang. 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 Tikita. 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 Ta. 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 Ikot. Ta. 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 Tikita. Tikita. Tama ba? Sabay, sabay. Teka. Ta. 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 Kita. 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 Ta. 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 Kita. Kita. Okay, okay, okay. Isa pa, isa pa. Gusto ko yung full. Wah! Let's go.
Make way for St. Sebastian's Academy of Martinez and People!
Boom, boom! Ano na lang. Tagal ng chorus. Yan. Yan na. Tama ba? Okay. Tama ata. Next. Ano yung next? May dalawa ka pa. Dalawa? No hands.
We love diamond rings. We could always gain them designer things. Versace, Prada, Rolex, or Mercedes Benz.
What's this?
Grind will never end.
Ito ba? Hirap nito ah.
No hands, she said, look ma, no hands, and no darling, I don't dance. And I'm with Roscoe, I'm with Walker, I think I deserve a chance. I'm a bad motherfucker. I'm the flawless money, why you do it with no hands? Drop it to the ground.
Oh my my gosh!
I don't dance and I'm with Roscoe, I'm with Waka. I think I deserve a chance. I'm a bad.
Grabe. Wait lang. Slow ko muna. Dancer ka pala, ha?
No hands and no darling. I don't dance and I'm with Roscoe.
Grabe! Patay.
No hands and no darling. I don't dance and I'm with Roscoe. I'm with Waka. I think I deserve a chance. I'm a bad.
Hirap naman nun.
Let's see if I can learn this choreo in under 30 minutes.
We hit 100K on my YouTube and TikTok, Instagram. Come on. I'm just joking. I just want to say thank you so much. Anyways, let me shut up. Pretty sure y'all have seen this one. We're just gonna go for it.
Start the clock.
He posted a tutorial.
Wag na nga. Kaya yan. Ayun o, may step by step.
Drink all that viola. Ah, good enough. Call that viola. Ah, good enough. Break you every time. Mega Dora, break you all the time. Alright, Mr. Fussy Fussy gonna go.
Chill lang. Sige, chill lang yung mga na ano ko lang, na-recap ko lang ngayon. Yun na lang.
I'm with Waka. I think I deserve a chance. I'm a bad mom. Going at some
Lord, I hope.
handsome mother. I sling that wood. I just nunchuck him and who you with and what's your name? And you not here, boo. I'm Wale and that DC.
Ang hirap naman yan. Bakit yan? De, pero aralin ko to. I-upload ko na lang sa TikTok ko. O, isa pa. Yung madali-dali. Sige, aralin ko to. Huwag ka mag-alala. Good luck sa akin. Pagod ako. Meron ka bang isa pa? Ito madali. Pag yan 3 bibe talaga. Fine. Okay, good job. Dance. Okay, okay. Meron din isa eh, ganito.
When I'm walking with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play. Blaming all my confidence. I'm blaming all your measurements.
Pero yun lang yung...
Tama ba? Yun ba yun?
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Boss up and I change the game. It's my big bronze boogie, got all them girls shook. My big fat, got all them boys cook. We're from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. You know, stand to me while I do my money dance like. Flexing on the ground like, hit that Lil Jon, okay. Oh yeah, we keeping the finesse and getting paid.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know.
Ano ba yung mga naging sikat na sayaw dati? Wala na, hindi na to kantahan live. Okay lang ba yun? Ha? Kulang asin. Sorry. Sorry. Bad trip naman yun. Pero may random na dadapa. Okay lang, normal lang naman sa tao na madapa sila. Sa dami nang nadadapa sa mundo. Grabe, pinawisan ako dun, ha? Ay. Trumpets. Ano bang trumpets dance? Ay, magle-level up pa. That's the question and answer. Alright. Teka. Yan. Grabe. It's so mainit. Oh, no. Gotta... Okay. Ikaw bahala if you want me to dance the trumpets. Paano ba yun? Wait lang, pagod ako. Okay, song request ka naman na. Si Max Shields, si Hachi kaya yan. O kaya si Johan.